Assalamualaikum students. Exercise 9.3 question number 2 is written over here, in which we have discussed the midpoint. So in this question it is given that the midpoint and one endpoint of a line segment of 3 7 and 4 2 respectively. 3 7 is the value of the midpoint and 4 2 is the value of the one of the endpoints of the that line segment. Find the other endpoint. So when we start its solution, let AB be the given line segment and C be the midpoint of that line segment AB, such that A, which is the first endpoint of the line segment, is given to you. Value of the first endpoint is 4 2 and the value of the second endpoint must be equals to B, let us say x2 y2, which is not given to you. And what's about the C? C is the midpoint of the line segment, so let's say that C, the coordinates are C are x3 y3, which are also given to us, that are 3 and 7. So when we compare these two values on both sides, we will get x1 is equal to 4 and y1 is equal to 2. Similarly, x3 is equal to 3 and y3 is equal to 7. So as we know that by midpoint formula, the midpoint C, whose coordinates are x3 and y3, must be equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So now by putting the values, we will get C, values of C are 3 7 is equal to x1 plus x2. So the value of x1 was 4 and the value of x2 is not given to us. Similarly, the value of y1 was 2 plus y2 whole divided by 2. We can compare from both sides. So by comparing both sides, we will get 3 is equal to 4 plus x2 divided by 2 and this 7 will be equals to 2 plus y2 divided by 2. 2 plus y2 divided by 2 is equal to 7. So now by multiply both sides by 2, multiply both sides by 2, we will get 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 4 plus x2 divided by 2 is being multiplied by 2. And similarly to the other side, we will do the same process, that is 2 plus y2 whole divided by 2 will be multiplied by 2 and also 7 will also be multiplied by 2. So we will get, the solution is 2 3s are 6. So 6 is equal to 4 plus x2 and 2 plus y2 will be equals to 2 7s are 14. As we have to find the value of x2, so we will write add -4 to both sides and for the value of y2 we will write the statement that add -2 to both sides. So now after this, what we have to do, as 6 is equals to 4 plus x2, this is our first side. 6 is equal to 4 plus x2. According to this statement, we will add -4 to both sides. So from here we will get 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, and 4 minus 4 will be cancelled with each other, so x2 is equal to 2. So we got the value of x2. And to the other side, as there is 2 plus y2 is equal to 14, so by this statement we will add -2 to both sides. So add -2 to both sides. So 2 and -2 will be cancelled. We get y2 is equal to 14 minus 2. The 14 minus 2 gives us 12. Hence, the value of x2 is 2 and the value of y2 is 2. Hence, b x2 y2 is equal to b 2 comma 12 is the required other end point. Endpoint of the line segment AB. So we have found the other endpoint of line segment AB when first endpoint and midpoint was given to us. Thank you so much.